Today we want to take a look on Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. Is it still recommended to use 16.04 or should you switch to the next LTS release? Let's check this out. 16.04 can be downloaded from the Ubuntu download site. Just go to ubuntu.com, then go to download, choose Ubuntu desktop, and then see our alternative downloads. Please scroll down to Ubuntu 16.04.6 LTS. Here you find the download files you need. Released was Ubuntu 16.04 on 21st of April 2016. The last and current point release of Ubuntu 16.04 was released on February 28 in 2019. According to that, the long-term support ends in April 2021. You have still more than a year time to stay on Ubuntu 16.04 before you have to upgrade to the next LTS release. The end of support is scheduled for April 2024. Please find more details on wiki.ubuntu.com/releases. Right now we want to check if it's still a good choice to use Ubuntu 16.04 installation. The installation went straightforward, no issues, nothing special. Afterwards I installed the VirtualBox guest add-ons and then I rebooted the systems. No problems so far. Ubuntu 16.04 ships as default the Unity desktop. This was Canonical's fork of GNOME, and on Ubuntu 16.04.6 Unity runs very stable and smooth. To be honest, the ambient theme does not look as modern as the new Yarrow theme, but even in 2020 it looks pretty nice. Installed components. With Ubuntu 16.04.6 Canonical provides kernel 4.15, 4.15.0-88, Firefox 72.0.2, and Thunderbird 60.9.0. LibreOffice is on board with version 5.1.6.2. You got it? Look and feel. Like I said, Unity is very stable. Some people could say Unity is boring because of its stability. The provided wallpapers didn't change since 2016, but they are looking very smart. Software. This is a very disappointing topic in my opinion. On Ubuntu 16.04 is more software pre-installed than most users will need. I think this was a very bad decision from Canonical in 2016. Let's check this out. On this fresh installed system we have a lot of apps pre-installed. I don't know who will use this as standard user. With ImageMagick or Onboard, don't know why an end user should use this or need this. We have games pre-installed, we have a BitTorrent program. I don't know. I don't think this is necessary. In my point of view, there should be less software than more pre-installed. And in case of still running Ubuntu 16.04, you may consider to remove some of the pre-installed software. Memory. During my test, Ubuntu 16.04 uses roughly 1 GB of memory. This is pretty similar with the GNOME-based Ubuntu releases, nothing special. Conclusions. After the Snowden revelations, I switched back from OS X to Linux, more precisely to Ubuntu, because its Unity desktop looked like the OS X desktop. So between 2016 and 2017 I ran Ubuntu LTS as a daily driver. Nowadays I recommend to install a newer Linux distribution. People who could not abandon the Ubuntu desktop, I suggest either to upgrade to Ubuntu 18.04 LTS and install there the Unity desktop, or to migrate in near future to Debian stable with Unity desktop. Yes, Unity will be ported to Debian. People who are currently running 60.04 can stay more than a year as it is, but you should consider to upgrade in the end of 2020. So there we have it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to push the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye.